Hi, good morning. Today 67 plate GLC 220D 4MATIC came to us, and the problem is common problem, speed sensors. Look, this is the code, chassis code 253, and if you can see here, GLC 220D 4MATIC off-road and 253 chassis GLC. And when we trying, customer is complaining because when he put in drive and the car goes into D1 and then his jump come out in from neutral, then he putting in D1 and then is not coming, then is come back, and then is putting in D1 and is go to direct D3 and making big jerk. So we trying to put the diagnostic machine on there, and we will find the problem, and I am going to show you what is the problem in the system. But this is the common problem in GLC, GLE, Mercedes after 267 plate 2016 9G-Tronic gearbox on there, and this is the common problem. So if you have the problem of that, we will show you what code is coming on there. That's the code coming P07E00, reverse gear not engaging. That's the code coming. But this is intermittent fault. When the car cold, some car, when the car is cold and then no problem, you can drive like 70-80 miles when this go hot, and then the problems come back. Switch it off, switch ignition on, and then you can drive it again. But sometime when the car is cold, it start doing like this. So if you have same symptom like that, you can contact us. We are in Hounslow, and my postcode is Tango Whiskey 33 Tango Tango, Hounslow Motors Ltd, and my phone number is 0740 2536 382. That's my phone number. I want to show you is doing communication is take time, checking all the systems, and when I'm gonna check in transmission and I show you what code is coming, and we will solve your issue if you have the problem like that. We're doing every day. You can see my other videos as well. So if you have the problem is like that, we can solve your issue. You can bring the car and you can drop the car for like 4 to 5 hours, and then we can diagnose your car and we will fix your car. But before doing everything, you can go to the local mechanic and just do what I am doing. You have to go in a control unit, then goes into transmission, and then you can get the code. You can see here is saying reverse gear not engaging, sensor a park wall has aspiratic functions, P073E00 and 07B700. That's the code is coming. So this is the common problem of these cars. If you have the problem of this, you can we try to erase the code, and we can erase the code. You can see no code coming back. That's not means the car fixed. It will come back. And if you're driving like that, it's gonna burn your clutches. So make sure when you're driving, you have to, when you come to us, you have to cool down the car and like drive half an hour, 40 minutes, then cool down half an hour, and then drive like that. So my name is Terry. We are in Hounslow Motors Ltd. You can check our review we're doing every day and check my other videos. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.